Hey there, today I'm going to show you the latest updates done to the Proracing dashboard. So I'm going to start by installing the latest version. Click Next, choose the folder or leave it by default. Next, and it will install the latest update. This time, as you can see, it will also include the web application. So this is a big thing with this version, which means that basically you will not need to use the dash.proracing.club anymore, but the web application will be hosted on your computer or any other server you want, really. And this means that if my server is down and dash.proracing.club is not accessible anymore, then you can still use the application whenever you want because all this will be on your computer. Another reason why I have done this is because this version comes with the new track maps, and you can save track maps and edit them on your computer as you wish, which I will soon show you. So this has installed, click finish, an icon will be on your desktop. Double click on it to initialize for a couple of seconds. And as you can see here, there is a new section which is called web. Now, you have three options how to use this. By default, it will keep using the dash.proracing.club. So this means that you don't have to do anything at all. You can keep using the software as is. But if my server is down in the future, or maybe something happens, then you can still use the application on your computer. All you have to do is just click on local here, and basically it will use your computer. If you're an advanced user, you can also use custom. How this custom works? Basically, you can enter port 80 or any port 777 as it was before, whatever you want, just a port which is not used. And let's say I want to have my dash in there. Now for this to work, you have to go to Windows. You have to go to I'm trying to think. System 32 drivers etc, and here you have your host file. Edit it, and then here you have to put something like this: 127.0.0.1 and my dash. You can put whatever. You can put ABC, you can put your name or dash, whatever you want. I just put my dash as an example. Save it, and if it doesn't allow to save it, right click and make sure you open it with run as administrator in here. Make sure you have administrator rights, otherwise it might not let you to save it. So once I have done that, and I click start in here and open dashboard, as you can see, it automatically now opened the website on my computer. This means that this is hosted on your computer. If I don't want a port there, no problem at all. Just stop it, put port 80, start it again, open dash, and there you go. So basically, with just my dash, you will see it. And it will be the same application. So as you can see, you don't need my website anymore. You can use it locally. So I'm gonna repeat again. You have three options. I'm gonna stop it so you can see it. Custom, where you can put my dash and update the host file and any port. Local, it will take your IP address, and default, it would use the website on my server. Now here, you're seeing something else, path. By default, I will install the web application to this path in here. And if you want to change this path, let's say you want to install it somewhere else, that's no problem. Just create a folder. So let's say my dash there, open this path in here, grab the website, copy it, put it in this folder, in this my dash path, and then from here change the folder, desktop, my dash there, and now you totally have your own web server. Why would you do this? The reason why you would do this is if you are an advanced developer, because in here you will have all the JavaScript files, you will have all the HTML, and if you want to change something to the web, maybe you want to change, I don't know, the colors or fonts, or you want to update something in the live timing, or I don't know, anything else, colors and stuff like that, or CSS, you can update everything from this folder in here. However, please note that the updates that will automatically come with this application will not be updated here. So your changes will remain untouched. But of course, you will not have my latest versions. But of course, you can then merge the latest versions to your changes, but it's a hard task. Something else which I have added is the installed plugins. Basically, you don't need anymore to download the plugins. You can click Auto Find Games. I have these at the moment installed. If it's not found, like Formula Track, for example, no problem. Just select it here. It's on my D drive, computer, D, games, Formula Track, there it is. Okay. And just click Install Plugin. And that would be it. Now, if I go and open Formula Track, and I go to plugins, there it is. The plugin was automatically installed. You can do the same for the others. GSC. So games, where is GSC? There it is, GSC. Install plugin and R Factor 1. I think I have it somewhere there. And install plugin. The reason why these were not automatically found is because I haven't played them for a while and they were not in my cache. Because basically the auto finds use the cache to be fast. I have also added this screen here where you can change the colors for the break. Gonna start the listener so I show you. So basically, with this session, you can change the colors of the tires, and that's from here. You can change the colors for each game, and you can specify the ranges in degrees. Okay, let's see what else. Track maps. So with this version, you can also create track maps. The past, the live timing has already been there, and it should be working. Gonna restart weekend. Here you go, I'm accelerating, and as you can see, the live timing is being populated. Now what I want to show you is the track map. So basically down here, it's connecting. Now this is still in development, so it's beta. But I still want to show you how it's gonna work. Once you go on the screen, of course, you won't see any track. So click on Create Map up here, and the track will start automatically to be drawn. As you can see here, it will take a while. Now make sure you have cars running on track, um, because this is being drawn by the actual cars on the track. Now, as you can see, it's small. So you can zoom it from here. Let's say I want it 8. I want to move it down, and I save and clear. I want to move it more down, save and clear. 300, some more, and there you go. So as you can see here, if you add positive, it will move to the right. If you add negative, it will move it to the left. Same here, positive, it will move it down. Negative, it will move it up. It will move this map up. And then here, this is the zoom factor. By default, you can start from 0.4. You can also then grab this image and open it in PaintShop Pro or some other image editor and fix it as you win. You press Save Map, okay, and you untick this checkbox here, and there you go. You have your own track. Now, like I said, the image will be found in the folder Images, Tracks, and I'm gonna view by details, and there you go. Sebring Club. You have your track there. So like I said, you can now open this track in any image editor, fix it, change it, whatever you want, change the color. It's up to you. The track will be saved to this folder in here. So my dash slash images, blah blah blah. Um, Something else which is very important are these three. The live timing update in milliseconds. This is the frequency the data is sent to the map here. So let me show you what happens. If I increase this to 1000 milliseconds, which is 1 minute, then as you will see, it will start jumping like that because the data is updated in 1 minute, in 1 second. So you have to find your own. If I put it too low, as you will see here, it might flicker and jump as well. So in this case, it's not that bad, but you might see it sometimes jumping. That guy, I think, crashed in the corner. So in my case, I always put it around 150 to 200 milliseconds, and I think it should be enough. It's good of an update. Um, uh, what else? I can't think of anything at the moment. This beta, of course, is still in development, and feel free to ask any questions on the forum. Thanks for watching the video, and talks later. Bye bye.